Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A78 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix Bluetooth connect problem in your phone Oppo A78 5G. First of all, suppose if you are facing any Bluetooth problem in your phone while connecting or after connecting, if you face any problem, just follow this video. First, you have to go to the settings of your phone here, then go to additional settings, and here select backup and reset, and here select reset phone, and here select reset network settings. That means reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. Okay, just click on it and your phone will ask you to verify with your password or fingerprint. Okay, if you have enabled any security, that will be asking, otherwise it will not ask directly, it will be going to the reset. Here I have used screen lock pattern password, so I am going to use it. Just click on password and verify with your password and click on reset network settings again here, and Bluetooth will be resetting. Bluetooth problem will be resolved after resetting this. Okay, yes, reset is done, and now your problem will be solved, and you will not get any error while connecting your device via Bluetooth. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.